Hello everyone, welcome back to MBA Beginner Excel course. In today's video, we will learn about navigating first and last used cell. Before proceeding, let me remind you, if you missed any of our previous video on Excel, first watch those videos as all these videos are interlinked. You can simply click on I icon above or you can directly go to the playlist section to find all the relevant videos there. If you want to master in Excel, I will suggest you to please note down all the important points so that uh, like uh, it will be easy for you when you revise. So let's come back to today's topic, which is navigating first and last used cell. Let's get started. In today's video, we will learn how to quickly navigate to the first and last used cell in Excel. Imagine you have thousands of rows of data. Scrolling with the mouse can take a lot of time. But with just two keyboard shortcuts, you can move across your worksheet in seconds. Firstly, let's try to understand what is the first used cell. So, the first used cell is where your data begins. In most of the worksheets, it is cell A1, right, which we have already clicked here. That is Rahul, right? In most of the worksheets it is cell A1, but it is not compulsory. Sometimes the first used cell can be let's suppose B6, it can be E10, it can be G16, it can be any cell, right? But yeah, in 99% of the cases it will be A1, right? So in this our worksheet, the data starts from cell A1. So now that I am in cell A1 and I want to reach to the end of the data sheet that I have, which here is E6, right? Here the last used cell is E6. So I can use Control plus and combination, which will take me to the end of the data sheet. As we are aware now that what first used cell means, similarly last used cell means the last cell that contains data in your worksheet. Here it is E6, right? That is Rohit's salary, 24,000 rupees per month, right? Here we have very few entries of or data in our worksheet, but in reality you will be having thousands of entries in the worksheet. There will be n number of columns, n number of rows, right? So in short, there will be thousands of entries in your data in the worksheet. It might look easy to work with mouse in this small set of data, but in reality it will be very time consuming and tedious thing to do. So simply to reach the last used cell, you can simply click or press Control and let's suppose, for example, I will click or press Control plus and I will reach the last used cell, right? So from anywhere, right, we can reach the last used cell by pressing Control plus n. As I said, that this is very useful when working with the large worksheets. Let's also learn we can move quickly to the first used cell. In our case it is A1, right, Rahul? So let's suppose I am in cell G15 and I want to go to the first used cell. I will press Control plus Home, right? Shortcut. I will press Control plus Home shortcut. Excel will immediately take you to the beginning of your worksheet. No matter where you are, this shortcut will help you to move to the first used cell. Now let's have a quick recap. Control plus Home is means first used cell and Control plus End means last used cell. Now I will be clicking on Control plus Home, right? It will take me to the first used cell. I will click on Control plus N and it will take me to the last used cell. Now you know how to move to the first and last used cell using just your keyboard. Practice these shortcuts while working in Excel and they will soon become a habit. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our MBA Beginner channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.